Are you looking for a seamless way to transfer Thunderbird emails to Office 365? Welcome to WholeClear Thunderbird to Office 365 Converter. Migrating your Thunderbird email data, including attachments, to Office 365 is now easier than ever. Key features of WholeClear Thunderbird to Office 365 Converter. Migrate Thunderbird to Office 365. Effortlessly transfer all your Thunderbird email files and attachments to your Office 365 account. User-friendly process. The migration process is simple and straightforward, ensuring ease of use for all types of users. Auto-load Thunderbird mailboxes. Automatically load your Thunderbird mailboxes, eliminating the need for manual imports. Maintain data integrity. Throughout the migration, the integrity of your email data is preserved, ensuring no loss or corruption. Here's how you can connect Thunderbird mail items to your Office 365 cloud. Step 1. Launch the WholeClear Thunderbird to Office 365 Converter tool. Open the tool to start the migration process. Step 2. Select Thunderbird directory location. Choose the directory where your Thunderbird files are stored and select the items you want to migrate to Office 365. Step 3. Select the Export to Office 365 account option. Choose the destination account where you want your Thunderbird files to be transferred. Step 4. Provide Office 365 login credentials. Enter your Office 365 username and password in the respective fields and click on Authenticate User to proceed. Step 5. Select the folder in Office 365 for your emails. You can select an existing folder or create a new one within your Office 365 account. Afterward, click Continue to move forward. Step 6. Hit Upload Now to begin migration. Once you click the Upload Now button, the migration process will begin. A log report will be automatically generated to track the progress. After following these simple steps, the Thunderbird emails, including attachments, will be smoothly imported to your Office 365 account within minutes. You can log into your Office 365 account to verify the migration and access your emails. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.